Lion and Mouse, written by Jairo Buitrago, translated by Alyssa Amato, pictures by Raphael Yachting, taken from Epic. In the woods there lived a very lovely lion who was like a son, and a small mouse who was a busybody and a glutton. One day, the mouse marched into the lion's house without being invited. Being well-mannered, he wiped his feet on the lion's mane. Before he could leave without saying goodbye, the lion grabbed him. "Where are you going, breakfast?" the lion asked him. "Breakfast?" said the mouse. "Don't eat me today, please. I'm off to see my girlfriend." "Someone as small and ugly as you couldn't have a girlfriend." "But I do, and if you let me go, I might be able to return the favor." "Ha ha 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 ha!" laughed the lion, as only lions can. "Such an insignificant little animal as you is going to return the favor? Get out!" And the mouse ran away. Insignificant means being of no use or important, and is the most insulting thing you could say about a mouse. The next day, the lion went out for a walk and found a very handsome ham hanging from a tree. It was a hunter's trap, and he fell into it. In those days, people were foolish and hunted lions. As the lion was crying, the mouse appeared. But the lion didn't recognize him because all mice look alike to him. "It's me, Mr. Lion," the mouse said. "Yesterday's mouse." "And what do you want?" "I can rescue you from your trap." The lion felt like laughing again, but it didn't seem like such a good idea just then. The mouse bit through the net that was covering the lion and freed him. The lion was astonished. He had been rescued by someone so small. "I told you I'd return the favor," exclaimed the mouse before he fled into the bushes. One rainy day, the lion met the mouse again, and with his immense paw, he protected him from the rain. "Another favor?" the mouse said with annoyance. "Now I'm going to have to do another favor for you, and you will have to do another favor for me, and then I another, and you another, and then I another, and—" "Enough!" said the lion. "I'm doing it because I don't want you to get wet." And that is how they began to be good to each other. These weren't favors. They didn't do this because they expected to get something back. They ended up living together in the lion's house because there was more room there than in the mouse's home. One day, the lion went up very, very close to the mouse to see him better. "You know, seeing you up close, friend mouse, you aren't at all, not at all ugly." They lived together nicely the rest of their days in the woods they loved so much. The lion walked through the bushes with his good mouse sitting on his head. The end.